Chiron and Pagani and Koenigsegg.
Yeah, my phone just stopped. You're on.
That's ridiculous. I'm not gonna say it too loud, but I definitely ain't stopping.
You're shorter than me.
This is childhood right here.
Are you guys ready? I drove the Valkyrie in.
What? What's up, guys? It's STICKERZ back with another video. We are here at a pretty frequent starting spot for videos. We are with Kay, and he's riding his new bike. Not sure the exact name. I could be butchering it. I could be saying it right, but I know it's MB Booster Super Veloce. I think it's like SV1000. Don't know if that's the correct name, if I'm butchering it like crazy or what, but this thing sounds absolutely insane. If you guys can see, it has a quad exhaust. It's so high pitched too, and it still has cats is the crazy part. And the cracks on every shifter are absolutely insane for having cats. He was telling me right now that the cats are built into the header, so sadly, it's a lot of work to get rid of the cats, but I can't even imagine what this bike is going to sound like. Because knowing Kay, he's definitely going to delete the cats at some point. But right now we are on our way to, the Malkovi Museum, I think is the proper name. I could be butchering that too. But it is like an automotive museum that Kay, they also get him out of their events. And I saw him post and I was like, hey, I'll actually come this time. I've never been to the Malkovi Museum. I know you've been to a couple of events there. Why not? I'll come crash it with you. So we're on our way there right now. Hopefully there's going to be some dope cars, maybe some bikes. I'm not sure. Like I said, I've never been there. I know it's a pretty bad museum. Oh, I don't know if you guys heard that, but Kay just threw a rock straight into my face. Do a little bit of mobbing, not much talking right now, because we're going to do a lot of talking at the event. So I'll catch you guys in a second. Okay, now we're off the freeway. This dude was pelting me with rocks. Oh, he has Super Corsas on. That actually looks good with the red, what's it called? The Pirellis. But yeah, bro was pelting me today. All the forged, it has forged and regular carbon on it. That's dope. A little bit of a mix. Some matte forged, some matte 2x2 weave. The color is absolutely gorgeous. I think that is the best paint job on any bike that I've ever seen. Yeah, Super Veloce 1000 Oro series. It's absolutely gorgeous. Gotta stay a little bit behind him, but not too far, because I don't know where I'm going. We are going, like I said, to some museum, but I've never been, so I gotta learn. Should have paid attention to what street we got off of, so I know for the next time. Hey, my buddy lived right here, and he borrowed my bike and got a flat tire, and we had to limp it all the way to Delamo Motorsports, way down over here, on my first bike. When I had my CBR, I let him borrow it for a day, and he got a flat tire, on almost a brand new tire. But it happens, he replaced it, luckily. Brembos, I wonder if everything's titanium on this bike. Electronic OLEDs, electronic front shocks. It's oh man, the train got us. Take it, Kay, take it! We can beat it! Where are we off? Red Hill, Edinger. Yeah, I have no clue where I'm at. Looks dope. Corvette with some Lambo doors. This is actually a crazy color. What is that? An SF90 matte black Viper. GT500, GT3. Yeah, that's a dope ass place. What is that? Ooh, Koenigsegg. This Lambo got a mustache. Oh, an Aston Martin Valkyrie. That's dope. Chiron. I hear him yelling about motorcycles. Don't know what they said. Photo booth. That's Aventador when you come with like all these crazy supercars, but Chiron and Pagani and Koenigsegg and the Ford GT, like that's crazy. I'm glad I came to this. This looks some crazy cars. It's always CCX, Bugatti Chiron Super Sport, got all the Montana plates. This Koenigsegg is actually insane. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't the CC? No, it's not. Is this the one that has the crushed diamond inside of it? Absolutely insane. 2 Paganis, blue carbon. Not the Valkyrie. What is this? Or is it the Valkyrie? This guy drives his car. Look at this thing. All beat up, gumball, dusty. Awesome. Love this guy, whoever owns it. This is absolutely ridiculous. Single seater, 3 Paganis. Oh, I know this car. We rode with this car not too long ago. Oh no, it is a dual seater. Has headphone jacks because it's so loud. That's actually crazy. Boring. Ferrari P or a Senna GTR. Would you take a Senna GTR or a P1 GTR? I think I gotta go with P1. But the dry carbon is beautiful. Another Pagani.
You're shorter than me.
I know Orange County has Tesla police vehicles. If that tried to pull you over, are you stopping? That's crazy that Orange County PD now has, sorry buddy, Teslas as police vehicles. City of Irvine is literally a Cybertruck police car in partnership with the community. That's ridiculous. I'm not going to say it too loud, but I definitely ain't stopping. There's no way it goes 130 plus. It does? It's just scary as f***. The tank going 130 is absolutely crazy. For emergency use only, push button to open hatch and squeeze handle for ejection. That is hilarious. So dumb, but so funny. It's a little warm today. It's a little spicy. Oh, fresh kicks this year. Wonder which car he brought. Some big APR wings. Z06? No, not a Z06. No problem. I think she said thank you for coming. You guys could tell me. I'm not sure exactly what she said. Oh no, cracked carbon fiber hood. So sad. Wonder if any of these are real. Oh, GT 350 Cobra. That's definitely, I feel like, a real one. This thing is dope. That's our buddies. We're gonna go take a look inside now. Yeah, this is one of the many events you've gone to that I've always missed. Like, I've worked or something always came up and I'm like, I wish I could have went to that one. It's crazy because most of the time they take the motors out when they side mount cars like this, but they said, no, we're leaving it in. Big block Chevy, Corvettes, F1 cars, RX-7, AMG GT, Ferraris, Le Mans cars, Corvettes. I love the muscle. I'm loving the muscle cars in here. Akuta. Batmobile? Did you see they're selling the new one? They're selling 10 of them or something like that for like $3 million or something. I know it's not street legal, but that's dope. Somebody will find a way to register it. I know it's not supposed to be registerable, but somebody's going to. Yeah, this is so dope. This is childhood right here. Wonder if it actually runs.
I asked them, I was like, can you like shoot a video with it and all that? Because they have to get like what is it, like an approval from like Warner Brothers.
Oh, okay.
You know?
Yeah.
And they have to like shut down the streets.
Yeah.
People would literally just stop in the middle of the street.
Oh, I would stop in the middle of the street if I saw this.
What up?
Countach is.
What you guys ride here? What'd you guys ride here? Oh, I took the new bike. It's oh, sick. Yeah, I want to check that out. Where's it at? It's right where the Valkyrie is actually. Okay, cool. We drove the Valkyrie. Yeah. Are you guys riding? I drove the Valkyrie in.
What?
So I work for the guy that owns it. I manage his cars.
Okay, that's a job. How did you get that job? That's a dope job.
Yeah, no. So we're from Utah.
Oh.
We're from Utah, but we have friends out here, and so it's the first Spider in the country. We shipped it out from New York, and then we just had friends here. So we did a video with Doug DeMuro yesterday, or on Friday, and we just had it here for the weekend. We're shipping it back tonight.
Oh, okay.
Got to catch her on the road before. Yeah. I saw you guys at helmets and stuff. I was like, what's your name?
Nice to meet you.
K, or what is it? Yeah, I just go by K. Okay, you just go by K.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Sick. Good to meet you. Good to meet you guys. Yeah. I ride an S1K, so.
Oh, dope. Oh, okay.
Dude, it's funny because it's like I've had a lot of experience with like managing his cars. But it's still like the bike thing is just so far above and beyond like the car.
The freedom. It's just the freedom you feel.
Freedom, dude. It's so good.
Yeah.
I'm so jealous that you guys can like ride year round here.
Yeah, no, it's cold.
For 6 months. Crazy thing is, like, there's so, like, it's different than LA. There's so many collectors in Utah that are, like, way more low key.
Yeah, like
there's so many
hundreds of millions of dollars in cars just sitting in a garage in Utah that don't get touched. It's crazy. This is like just a random dude in Utah just has it parked. Like, that's what he'll have in this. He'll have this in his backyard. Yeah, and they're old. It's all old money. What time is the show over?
I think it's over at 2, so we're here for a sec.
We go grab food and then come back. Worst case, something.
Yeah, we'll figure something out. Sick.
Cool.
Where's the bike parked at? I want to see it. It's the red one? Yeah. Okay, yeah. That's such a sick bike.
I'm literally trying to think about a way so I can bring more bikes here because you gave me a spot and I kind of wanted to bring more bikes.
Oh yeah. Yo, and then what are you riding?
An Aprilia, the bright pink one.
Oh, sick.
So I have his old 1100 factory, but I made it pink.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's sick.
You won't miss it.
Yeah, you're gonna find the pink bike.
Well,
Cool.
You guys.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah, just look for us.
Yeah, I'll definitely find you.
See you guys.
2 more Paganis here. Another Kona. Oh my God. What do you think? 100 million in cars here today? $100 million car event?
Something like that.
I would think it's up there. I don't know what this is, but it's absolutely. Is this the Zonda R? I gotta look at the back. Oh, this is the Zonda R. This thing sounds absolutely insane. It's not a street legal car, and it's the most insane sounding car you will ever hear. World record holder, Koenigsegg, 277.9 miles per hour. Don't want to go around them. Ooh, they got art in here. Look at that Kobe. Mamba out. Love for Kobe. They got a horse. Horse probably worth more than half of these things too. Well, not these, but that's crazy. 277.9 miles per hour. I can't even imagine. And it has like mud tires, so it's like wet weather. So last time it was moving, it was in the rain. Yeah, he definitely curbed the side. Toast. God, the General Lee. That's hilarious. I wonder if it's not. This is definitely not the real one from the movie. This is absolutely crazy. Definitely one of the best events I've ever been to. I got some bikes now. Oh, they're like old. Honda. This Ducati's beautiful. 1099 dry clutch. I don't know what that is, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Hello. I want to go out there if he's going to rev it. It's on. Sounds insane from here. Oh, he started it because the Koenigsegg and these are leaving. So he's probably just trying to get out the way. He's hoping he hits it. That kid right there is hoping he hits. He's filming just the back of it.
Where are you going? I need to go back. The Bugatti's still on the way.
Look at that weave carbon fiber on the light. The big race weave. That's literally just a race car.
What do you think the lease payment on this car is?
2024 Benz E650.
It's only $199.
Oh, wow!
Crazy,
That's
right?
not bad. Yeah, that's not bad.
Good deal.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
Yeah. My friend just got. You're IMK.
This DJI Osmo Action 5 camera battery life is insane. We are dipping out with the Valkyrie, which was that crazy open top. That car right there. We're actually going to be rolling with them right now. You need to get it switched to an LED. The top one. I feel like it would look better. Like it looks orangish and then white. Like, see if it's possible. I don't know if it is. That's a crazy wrap on the front. I didn't even notice that on the Corvette. Yeah, we're dipping out with whatever that crazy is, the Valkyrie. So he's like, "You want to come ride with us?" I'm like, "Yeah, yeah, thanks." But you know what? We're gonna make this. Yeah. See ya. The end of this video, I think. Thank you guys for watching. This place is insane. The Malconi Museum, the cars here today, inside, outside, were absolutely incredible. So make sure to hit a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.